June 30th. So exactly 4 weeks ago today, I planted my garden. So this is how it's looking so far. We have had so much rain here in the last 4 weeks that I have not really had to do a whole lot of watering. It is very beautiful. The weather is hot, very tropical and humid. And the plants do love that. So I'll take you for a little walkthrough of the garden and you'll get to see what it looks like 4 weeks later. So all of my tomatoes, they are doing really well. So I tied and staked all of the tomatoes down the row. So I have a long row of tomatoes, but they're growing very healthy and there is a wide range of tomatoes. Flowers are on them. So it's looking healthy, which is good. And my lawn, freshly cut, and all of the trees are looking so leafy and green. I feel like my lawn right now, it is so lush. Like for June 30th, to have your grass looking this healthy, deep green, that is everything. So as you guys know, in my live streams, I shared with you my pear tree with the branch that broke down. So now that the branch is taken care of, I still have this beautiful tree with lots of pears. So I am happy about that. And my other pear tree that I lost a branch during the rainstorm, it is also doing very well. I have no complaints. It is sky high. I have no idea how I will ever get up there. So I am blessed with what I have. So this is where I lost the big branches, remember? And everything else is going good. But the lawn, I'm telling you, it is, look at this. It looks like green carpet. And my plum trees, looking good. Look at this walnut tree. The view here is one of my favorites. So the potato field, I called it, and the squash, look how tall it grew from seed. 4 weeks today I planted that. So I also have tomatoes down there. Let's go for a walk. I'm still just in awe of this. So that is my dwarf cherry tree. And look at my Saskatoon berries. I say another couple days and I am going to have a lot of berry picking to do, and it makes great desserts, great jam, jelly. So this is what it looks like where I planted my squash. So the seeds that I had from the previous year, I saved them, and look at that. And look at my potatoes. Oh my goodness, this is just so beautiful. I have been planting a garden for about 10 years and every year it has been different. Usually we don't get this amount of precipitation, and let me tell you, there's nothing like rainwater. Nothing else can do this. So 4 weeks, I think this is looking the best. I have no complaints, not one yellow leaf. And the view, lots of trees, everything just looks so picture perfect. I am just so happy with everything. So tomorrow is Canada Day. They forecasted a lot of rain. So the rain tomorrow might take away from a lot. So I'm gonna have to just see how it goes. Plans can change. But look at this. This is so beautiful. This branch. Yesterday, we had really bad weather with the rain and wind. Oh my goodness. And these trees, they are just, this pear tree, for instance, look at how tall this is. What a blessing. And a lot of pears will be there. My cabbages are doing so good. Look how this cabbage is growing. So picture perfect. Look at that. Like, this is beautiful. All the way down. So last year when I grew cabbage, I never knew how just amazing it would grow here. I decided I am going to plant cabbage heaven. So I did. Look at that. My green onions, I planted a lot more new ones in between. The lettuce, the celery, everything. So this is my place where I have more of what I would say is like more for my kitchen garden. And now, what else? You never know what will become of this apple tree. It might surprise me. So this is the kale. Look at this kale. Do you remember how tiny it was when I showed you I went to the greenhouse? And that was like not that long ago. And this still has a lot of growing to do, but I've been using a lot of it already. Like the leaves are ready and they're just so soft and it tastes good. I've been eating the kale leaves just like that. And I will show you my lemon tree. So I had my lemon trees indoors. When they come outside, they lose a lot of their leaves and they grow brand new growth. So you can see how it starts. So like this. And this lemon tree was planted by seeds of a lemon. And wait till this starts growing even more. So I have 2 of them. It's just like brand new growth, just so healthy. It's in its habitat, some new soil in the pots. So that's looking good. And let's see what else. I'm gonna go around the corner here. And you can see the lettuce has grown pretty much fully. So I'm gonna have to pick bunches of this. I am gonna be putting lettuce and everything. And my celery is growing really good. So yeah, and as you guys know, I got my gazebo. I have been excited to enjoy outdoors as much as possible. My goal is this summer to take the time to enjoy more of this. Yeah, so thanks for listening. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was just a quick one, letting you guys see what things look like. And I will share with you more as I go along on my gardening journey.